Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNBT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, another eventful day on this one, so a lot of eyeballs going to be on it going into next week, so I want to map out some areas of support and resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I would say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $1.07. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.07, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above the $1.07 mark would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance going forward? Well, at this point, in my mind, the level that matters most is this resistance trend line that it's made itself quite apparent, which represents the selling pressure that did show up today. So keep a very close eye on that going forward. And if the price can get a nice high volume break of there, I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but if the price can work its way back up to that level, get a high volume break, then it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price get up there to the $1.65 mark and, potentially even up into the $1.70s. But overall, great movement today. Sure, it pulled back, but nothing can go straight up. As long as the price does continue to build upon those higher bases and put in higher lows, then that's what matters the most. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.